Cafe Inoma and welcome to our reaction to Yanni. We are going to react to the song Lady Hawk. This will be our first time single take honest reaction to it, requested by David C. Let's get started with the music right away. Wow.
This is a
You know,
masterpiece.
Savio, there's so much to be done in this world. And to begin with, there should be music scientist term that should be, or a title should be awarded to certain people. Yanni should be the first one in the.
Yeah, I would also say
in the
Carlos
category.
Santana.
And Carlos Santana. And there are a few more
Few more,
names,
few more.
you know, that
At
I
least
have.
18 more I can
So
name.
these people should be awarded this title without any question, without any ado. They should be just called musical scientist, because
Music scientist.
music is science. Music is science. And why I'm saying that, when you listen to music like this, you know how it changes your life. You know how it inculcates certain things in your body, in your surroundings. The way it does, it changes things so without making it evident, so silently,
Yeah,
so
without
quietly,
much effort.
without much
With
effort. It's
relative
working
ease.
secretly, but it is happening. It's so effective. This medicine is effective. Medicine is not only in the pill. There are therapies that are these. This kind of music, it's not only for you, that will straighten your molecules and your fluids of your body, but also where you're sitting, your surroundings, the birds around, when you're playing it out loud, not in the headphones. We are playing it on the headphones, but I'm sure if we played it out loud, the birds around, the people around, the water and the liquids around also would be at ease and in peace.
Yeah, it's blissful music. Blissful.
Blissful.
Totally blissful and extremely harmonious with the surroundings. Like Kirti said, everything
It generates
around
well-being.
you, it creates beautiful rhythm and sync as if it's one with the music. And that's why she's calling him a musical scientist or a music scientist. Absolutely beautiful.
They
listening to
know the music.
yeah, this is a masterpiece, and that's the beauty of listening to it along with Kirti. She has such wonderful, pure, raw inputs to share with all of us who are hardcore music listeners and lovers. So she has such wonderful, raw inputs, and I love the reason we both sit together almost every single day of the year. We are in front of you in a video on YouTube, listening to music, sharing our honest, spontaneous, unscripted reviews with you because of Kirti's guidelines. If Kirti hadn't laid down the framework, the music scientist, I think first she should be given the title of reaction specialist or reaction scientist on YouTube.
Well, I
because
like
the framework is so neatly laid down. You all don't see it because you all are just watching and listening. But if you actually analyze the way it's done every single day of the year, there's so many parts to it, but it seems so effortless and divine and wonderful to see two people sharing their honest opinion, even if they don't like the song. The ability to be free and share it, that is Kirti's ethos. She has laid down the framework so that I can come out there and be like a lion if I have to, or be like a swan. Though a very obese swan, which is very difficult to find. Though I'm sure all the guys in Peking will love it. But anyway, the fact is, that is how it is. The framework is so important. And this framework could be sensed in this song. So Kirti could connect with it wholeheartedly, I would assume. I couldn't see what she was doing, how she was listening to it. But I'm sure when I watch this reaction video, I can find that connection in songs such as these. Because the guidelines are so clear, crystal clear for me to shine and for her to also shine along with me. Both of us doing our thing so freely, so wonderfully, following all the guidelines of this major platform called YouTube at the same time, and giving you, the listener, the viewer, the hardcore subscriber who's here day in and day out, like us or hate us, you're here. This is why we do it. We do it because we are doing it like no one else is.
I can spend my lifetime listening to music like that. It's as simple as that. It's like milk, it's like rice, it's like dal for me. It's the staple thing that
food
we have here in India. It's like water. I could take it every single day without realizing that it is, going in.
And that's the beauty of music like this. Yanni comes from Greece.
Yeah.
And he creates music which more or less will be, categorized as a classical, Western classical that is, and New Age. But us in India who have possibly very little idea about that genre to begin with, we love it.
We understand
We
nature's
love
value.
it. Similarly, I'm sure people from LA who are listening to this and who definitely will be moved and maybe moved in a blissful way, where actually they are unmoved. So they are still, they can enjoy the stillness while listening to the music like this. This was absolutely beautiful.
Okay, now you said so much about me and complimented me so much. Not to undermine the contribution of Savio on this channel, you have no clue. You have no clue how much he has to put in for every video to be up there. for you to watch. There are only limited things that I can do, and there are all the unlimited things that he has to do for every video to be possible. And his energy is unmatched. When he's not there, you know the level of energy that goes down.
Thank you. So obviously, we are talking so much about ourselves. It's
Along
music.
with Yan.
It's
the
music.
music that is making
It's
us
music like this that
express.
helps us express ourselves more. In a way, it's a comfort level that is created by this song.
Yeah.
Not too many artists can do that.
Not too many people.
The comfort level has been created.
When we are
and
uneasy,
this-
when we are disturbed, people see it.
This kind of music would be perfect for an office environment, perfect for a counseling setting, counseling room setting, that is perfect for a spa, perfect for
it's good for
any
children
place
too.
where people need to relax, unwind, de-stress. This would be perfect music because it relaxes you, it opens you up, it liberates you, makes you feel one with the world around you and everyone in it. So this is beautiful music. It will get people together, not cut people up into pieces and throw them aside. This is unison. This music unites, not divides.
Absolutely.
That's it for this one. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about us, our channel, and what I just spoke about and Kirti spoke about. A little bit of that, you get an understanding. And also watch our videos.
You know,
the
the
best
only
way
thing I would like
is to
to
watch
say
our videos,
today-
but open mind.
Today, after 2-3 years of being, I think almost
3 years.
3
3
years,
years
right?
and
We've
more.
already
3
completed
years,
that.
2
Yeah.
months.
3 years completed on YouTube as reactors. At least one thing we have achieved for sure, that is evident, tangible, and you know what that is for reactors. People wear headphones now. They know the value of headphones. I've seen most reactors through their thumbnails that they wear a headphone to begin with. It wasn't there.
Just 1 year back, you would have more than 60% of them, 60%.
Almost 70%
not
people, they wouldn't
wearing
wear
a
a single
headphone.
thing, and they would pretend they were listening to music. Now at least that has happened, and it's a tangible change.
Yeah, I mean, I know you can listen to music. Obviously, we listen to music
But how are you
on
going
our
to do
stereo
this
system.
reaction thing?
The experience that we get by listening to it with high quality headphones, just focusing on the song without pausing it too, that's another problem on this platform. People pausing. I think even that may have stopped. I'm not
It
really
is
checked.
reduced, I think.
But it must have definitely reduced thanks to us and thanks to Kirti's guidelines. Not that we are enforcing it, we just are doing it the right way, and people are learning from us that this is the right way to do it. It's a different thing because of our background, of our location. This platform tends to cast us aside. Maybe it's a language thing, maybe it's a
Maybe it's the
cultural
race,
thing,
I know.
maybe it's the race itself. We don't know, but we will not hold that against YouTube because we wouldn't be here on this amazing platform in front of you guys if it wasn't for YouTube. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Check out our Patreon page to learn more about us or to request a song like this, which we would love to hear and speak more about ourselves than we did of the artist. But the artist has
Made us
created that ambience, and that's the beauty of listening to music like this in your home or office environment. It creates the ambience to flourish, to communicate freely, to grow, to rejuvenate, to refresh
Creating
your
an
mind,
environment
body and soul.
is magic itself. Science.
Beautiful piano playing by Yani.